If you've made a batch of slime that's super sticky, you may be able to save it by mixing in some common household ingredients. For example, try sprinkling half a teaspoon, 2 grams of baking soda over the slime. Carefully knead the baking soda into the slime until it's thoroughly mixed in. If the slime still feels sticky, add a little bit more. Just be careful not to add too much at once, since it could make your slime less stretchy. Try mixing in an 1/8 teaspoon, about 0.5 grams at a time, until you get the result you want. Another option is to mix 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of contact lens solution into your slime. Splash the contact solution on top, then knead it into the slime with your hands. If the slime is still too sticky, keep adding the solution a 1/4 teaspoon, 1.3 milliliters at a time, until it doesn't feel sticky anymore. If you don't have baking soda or contact solution, mix in 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of baby oil instead. Baby oil will not only reduce stickiness, but will also make your slime nice and shiny. Just be careful, since too much baby oil can break down the slime and make it goopy instead of stretchy. Don't have any of these ingredients on hand? Try kneading your slime by hand for a few minutes, which will help combine the ingredients in the slime more thoroughly. Coat your hands with a little bit of lotion first to prevent the slime from sticking to them. After a while, you should notice that the slime feels less gooey. If you're making slime from scratch, there are a few recipes you can try to create slime that's not super sticky. For example, try mixing together 4 fluid ounces, 120 milliliters of white school glue, 1.5 cups, 360 grams of shaving cream, and 2.5 tablespoons, 37.5 milliliters of a contact lens solution that contains boric acid. Add a few drops of food coloring if you like. Stir the ingredients together and knead them with your hands for several minutes until they are completely combined and the slime no longer feels sticky. Or, try the same basic recipe, but use half tablespoon, 7.5 grams of baking soda in place of the shaving cream, and use only 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of the contact solution. Whichever recipe you use, make sure to knead the slime thoroughly when you're done, since this will reduce stickiness and make your slime nice and stretchy. Store your slime in an airtight container when you're not using it to keep it from drying out.